In today's video, I'll teach you how to watch series on NetShort. So if you want to watch the series on NetShort, it is actually very simple. So first of all, launch open NetShort application. You can see over here, it has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So initially, you'll be led to the home interface. You'll be able to see bunch of series recommended over here. Also at top, you'll be able to filter according to new categories, originals, animations, rankings, etc. Also, you'll be able to search for the series that you want to watch. For that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now, what you have to do is simply search for the series of your choice. After that, you'll be able to find that series. Here, I'm just going to tap on one of these series. So, what you have to do is tap on the series that you would like to watch. Now, you'll be able to watch the series, but keep in mind you'll not be able to watch the entire series. For that, you need the VIP plan. Likewise, in order to download the series too, you need the VIP plan. After you subscribe to the VIP plan, you'll be able to watch the entire series in NetShort. So that is how you watch series in NetShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.